from 9 p.m. this evening to 2 a.m. Friday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a coastal flood warning, which is in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 2 a.m. Friday. The coastal flood watch is no longer in effect. Locations along the Long Island Sound and Bronx, northwestern Suffolk, northern Queens and northern Nassau counties in New York. Tidal departures around 2 feet above astronomical tides. Beach erosion, minor. Timing around the times of high tide tonight. Impacts: the combination of storm surge and wave action will result in areas of moderate coastal flooding tonight. Around 2 feet of inundation along vulnerable shoreline areas can be expected. Outlook. For the following areas in New Jersey, Warren and Hunterdon, winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. Friday.